Welcome to the Vue.js crash course, where you will be learning the basics you need to get started in building applications in Vue. If you don't know what Vue is, Vue.js is a front-end JavaScript framework for building user interfaces and single-page applications. It is one of the most loved JavaScript front-end frameworks with a ton of stars on GitHub. But without further ado, let's go ahead and create a Vue project. Normally, you would navigate to where you would like to create your project. But I'm just going to go ahead and create one folder in the home page and just call it the Vue.js crash course. And here, I'll open the terminal. Now, I want to navigate to the get started to the install. That's the quick start. To install the Vue project, make sure you have Node.js installed on your machine. If you don't have it installed, you might want to go to nodejs.org and download it. So I already have Node.js installed on my machine, so I'm just going to cancel this. But you want to make sure you have Node.js installed on your machine before you install or before you create a Vue project. Here we'll find the npm command to install Vue.js. We'll just go ahead and copy this and paste it. So we are prompted to give a name for our project. Let's go ahead and call this my Vue project. And we don't want TypeScript, so we're just going to go ahead and click on no. We don't want JSX support as well. We're going to be using routing later, but for now, let's click on no. No state management for now as well. No unit testing, no end-to-end testing, no code quality checks, no dev tools. Now that our project has been scaffolded for us, we want to cd into our project. So we go ahead and type cd my Vue project. Now that we've cd into our project, we want to run npm install to install the necessary packages. Now that our project has finished installing, we can go ahead and type code dot to open up VS Code. And once we've done that, let's just open up VS Code. Yes, I trust the authors. And here we have our Vue project. So in the source, we have the main app Vue. And now let's just run this to see what our Vue project looks like. So let's go ahead and type npm run dev. And our project is available at localhost 5173. Here we have our Vue project. So let's go ahead and edit the project a bit. So for starters, we can get rid of everything inside of the template and get rid of this component import as well. And inside the template, we can just write a div and have this display in h1 just saying my Vue project. That's if we can spell project. And there you have it, guys. Your Vue project has been created.